My name is Joe, I'm from the UK, and now it's been a year since I've had a transplant with Eugenix Hair Sciences. I'm absolutely over the moon with my results. It has completely changed my life and I feel so much more confident now. I thought my future would be looking like a balding uncle. You know, I'm 30 years old now and I was looking like a 50-year-old guy, and with this new hairline and this surgery, it has restored my youth back and I can enjoy my younger years. And so as you can see, I completely have my hairline intact. You know, there's a great density, it looks completely natural, and if you see, I have a very natural hairline here. You see? Okay. Nobody can tell that I've had a hair transplant surgery. One of the greatest things about this transplant is, yes, the results, but it's also the community that you become a part of, and becoming part of Eugenix Hair Sciences family. They're very, very warm, very welcoming. Dr. Erica, Dr. Pradeep, they treat us like their family when we came, and I've had the pleasure of meeting a lot of different hair surgeons, but none of them are as skilled as Dr. Pradeep and Dr. Erica and Eugenix Hair Sciences, but so down to earth and humble, and who really care about their craft and their patients, because they know it's a long-term thing. And so I really recommend you, if you're on the fence like I was, there's a lot of stigmas around getting a hair transplant, and worries, what are people going to think, or worries about medications and all of this stuff. Just speak to them, and don't hesitate. This is the best investment you can ever do in your life. It's priceless, and the confidence and calm it gives you is priceless. And so thank you so much to Eugenix, and thank you so much to everybody who worked on the team, from surgeons to doctors. I'm so happy. You've changed my life.